Hey guys, and welcome to Math Snow. We have 3 divided by 1 over 3 times 3. Now we can simplify this expression. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 and 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Now we have 1 times 1 that gives us 1. So 3 divided by 1 gives us 3. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, we know that multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve from left to right. Now we can start with this division. According to the KCF, that is keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So we have here 3 over 1 divided by 1 over 3. Keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 1 over 3 is 3 over 1, and times 3 here. Now we have 3 times 3 times 3. That is, that this expression is equals to 27. The final answer is 27. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.